There are countless political ideologies in our world. The people around you, political parties, or even a bird protection society all reflect traces of an ideology. But where do these ideologies start and end? Which ideologies are close to each other and which are completely opposite? In this video, we will place all the political ideologies in the world on a single spectrum. On one end of this spectrum, we have anarchists who say the state is completely unnecessary, and on the other end, we have totalitarians who believe the state is everything. The points in between are filled with diverse perspectives on freedom, individual rights, social justice, and authority. This spectrum is both simple and comprehensive. You can locate all political movements, parties, and organizations you encounter on this spectrum. Now, let's explore the key points of this spectrum and understand where political ideologies stand. Anarchism. Anarchism rejects all forms of authority and the state entirely. It believes that people can self-govern through voluntary cooperation. Libertarianism. Libertarianism does not completely reject the state, but seeks to minimize its role. The state's primary role is to protect individuals' rights. Minarchism. Minarchism limits the state to essential functions like justice, security, and defense. This is the night watchman state concept. Liberalism. Liberalism prioritizes individual freedoms and advocates for a limited role of the state. Social liberalism. A branch of liberalism, social liberalism supports protecting individual rights while addressing inequalities through state intervention. Conservatism. Conservatism emphasizes preserving traditional values and maintaining social order. Centrism. Centrism aims to balance right and left ideologies, taking a pragmatic approach and avoiding extremes. Social democracy. Social democracy advocates for protecting freedoms while reducing inequalities through active state involvement. Socialism. Socialism promotes stronger state control over economic and social processes to achieve societal equality. Militarism. Militarism emphasizes a strong state order and discipline as prerequisites for societal progress. Fascism. Fascism views the individual as a part of the nation and advocates for a system where the state is supreme. Authoritarianism. Authoritarianism supports a strong central authority where individual rights are significantly limited. Techno-authoritarianism. Techno-authoritarianism uses technology to monitor and control individuals. For example, social credit systems. Totalitarianism. Totalitarianism is a system where the state controls everything, and individuals are entirely subordinate to it. Placing political systems on the spectrum. Putin's Russia. Under Putin's leadership, Russia falls between authoritarianism and techno-authoritarianism. State power and limited individual freedoms are prominent. Contemporary China. China exemplifies techno-authoritarianism, using technology to monitor and control its citizens. Erdogan's Turkey. Erdogan's Turkey is categorized under authoritarianism. Individual freedoms are restricted. Founding Fathers USA. During the era of the Founding Fathers, the US was positioned between liberalism and minarchism, with a strong emphasis on individual rights. Bush-era USA post 9/11, Bush's USA shifted from liberalism towards authoritarianism. Modern Germany. Modern Germany aligns closely with social democracy, emphasizing individual rights and social justice. As you can see, political ideologies span a wide spectrum. On one end, anarchism emphasizes freedom and individuality, while on the other, totalitarianism seeks absolute state control. Between these extremes lies a variety of ideologies with different balances and solutions. Political parties, leaders, and even civil society organizations can be placed somewhere on this spectrum. Where do you think your views fall on this spectrum? Share your thoughts in the comments.